Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious plant-based shepherd's pie using Meatless Farm's #1 plant-based mince in the market, which is available in Tesco's, Morrison's, Sainsbury's, Asda and Ocado. So let's get into it. So first of all, I'm going to start by preparing my potatoes, as Meatless Farm's vegan mince does not take long to cook at all. First of all, with my ready chopped and washed potatoes, I'm going to put them to a boil for 20 to 25 minutes. And while that's happening, let's move on to the Meatless Farm mince. And now that's done, let's get into it. Yes, now let's start chopping. 1 red onion, 2 spring onions, and chop 2 garlic cloves. Now my onions and garlic is done, it's time to saute. And now that's done, I'm going to add in my Meatless Farm vegan mince. These are also 100% vegan, very high in protein, gluten-free, low in sugar and has an A eco score. And also, 1 pack can serve 4 people. And now I'm going to leave that alone for a minute. See you in a minute. Now I'm back, it's time to add my seasoning. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, paprika and jack marinade, and half a teaspoon of basil, thyme and allspice. And I'm going to give this a little mix. And now it's time to add my washed and chopped carrots, my green peas, tin tomato, and some of my vegetable stock. And now I'm going to give this a little mix and leave it to cook down for about 12 to 15 minutes. See you after it's done. Now that's cooking, let's start mashing the potatoes. With 2 tablespoons of plant-based butter, a teaspoon of black pepper and salt, and half a cup of oat milk. My potatoes are now smooth, let's put it all together. Now this has been beautifully put together, I'm going to place it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Voila! Now there you have it. An easy plant-based swap, perfect for Flexic Fridays. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed. Guys, dinner time!